Hello beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. I am Pau and today I want to show you how to prepare an atomic shot. A shot to boost your immune system up to the stars. This shot has superfoods that will help you boost your immune system right away. For the shot, we need fresh turmeric if possible. Turmeric in Ayurvedic medicine, it is believed to act as an antiviral, antibacterial and antiparasitic. Then fresh ginger root, the same amount, like a third of your thumb. The ginger also has antimicrobial properties that may help fight infections, bacterial or viral, including those that cause sore throats. Ginger has also anti-inflammatory effects. We're gonna need 1 whole lemon with the skin and everything. You can cut it in half and put the seeds away. They can be a little bitter. We're also using Manuka honey, which has amazing antibacterial properties and antimicrobial properties. If you cannot find Manuka honey, you can use your regular bee honey. I like to add a little bit of orange juice, but you don't need to add too much. In replace of the OJ, you can also use a little bit of water. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel so we can stay in touch.